Hi, my name is Luke from Window Washing, and today I'm just going to show you how to clean a window the traditional way. This method has been in use for over 30, perhaps 40 years, and so this is the only real way to clean a window properly and also cost effectively. So today I'm just going to run you through the equipment that I'm going to be using. I've got a squeegee. This is a Pulex squeegee, a squeegee that we sell at Window Washing, a T-bar, and washer, of course. So in the bucket I've got just simple water and soap. You can use dishwashing liquid, Sunlight, that'll work. And I've simply just dipped the washer into the bucket, a little bit messy. And then you just simply soap up the window. And notice the soap suds. If you don't put enough soap in, you won't get the soap suds on the window. And it's important to get the window as soapy as possible, because then you can allow your squeegee to slide over. Notice what I'm doing, I'm getting the corners first, and then I go and catch all the rest of the soapy water. Bring it down, and then close out. So to use it is very straightforward. All you have to do is just loosen this tightener here, tighten it up, and then you're able to use the pole on whatever piece of glass that you want. So for the purpose of this illustration, I'm going to just clean this window here again. So you simply just slide the washer onto the cone end there. It's a friction fit, and then you do exactly what I did just now. Soap up the window, soap it up, and then use a squeegee to just simply squeegee off the water, the dirty water. It's not 100%, but this is just for education purposes, for want of another word. So that's how you use it.